Located north-northeast of Port Hedland, the Dorado oil and gas discovery is one of the largest recent discoveries on the Australian Northwest Shelf. Palakis Multi-Client covered the Dorado lead with their Capreolus 3D survey in 2015. The Palakis nailer towed this 12-streamer spread with 8 km streamer length. In 2019, Santos and Keraudren Petroleum engaged PGS with the Ramform Hyperion to revisit the Dorado discovery with the Keraudren 3D program. The Keraudren survey also covered the Apis and Parvo prospects to the southeast. With a 75-metre streamer separation, the configuration also included an innovative source-over-streamer deployment configuration. The survey full-fold area lies in water depths ranging from 60 to 95 metres. Shallower contours and shoal areas under 50 metres water depth exist in the turn area in the southeast of the survey operational area. A number of shipping routes for bulk ore carriers operating from Port Hedland also pass through the survey operational area. Mobilisation was in May 2019 after completion of the North Carnarvon Basin 3D program for Chevron and Woodside. Acquisition started on May the 19th. What do we see as being the biggest challenges of this survey? You can see the vessel skillfully threading through the southeastern shoals when the vessel is line changing. In the southernmost swath, the vessel has to perform a series of 270-degree turns to avoid the 50-metre contours. Checking in now on the turn radius, we see 5.5 km in the southeast and a smaller 4.8 km in the northwest. The larger radius is likely to minimise lead-in depth and keep streamer control in the shallows where there's stronger currents. This is still quite impressive with the source over streamer configuration. These areas are quite notorious for large tides and strong tidal current. Let's see how they affect the survey. We can see on the bottom chart that the tidal current is frequently up around 1 knot at full flow. The arrow indicator on the map shows that this is the strongest in the inline direction of the survey. This can also add to the challenging dynamics of the turns in the southeast. Slowing down the replay, we can see the faster vessel speeds with the following tide, and slower vessel speeds when heading into the tide. The speed matches perfectly with our modelled tidal current, and SeisIntel's tidal current modelling can be loaded into SurvOpt and Tesseract in the survey design phase, so you will know what to expect before you get out there. Besides the shipping traffic, the shallows in the southeast, and the strong tidal currents, what other challenges might exist in this area that would need to be considered when planning a survey? There's certainly no issues with icebergs and sea ice on this project, but if there was, we have detail for that as well. Ocean current modelling is overlaid with all of our live and historical surveys. This can be replayed, and scanning through this survey, we can see only low regional current predicted to be affecting the survey. Certainly nothing compared with the tidal current effects. Regional currents can be modelled for any survey location around the world in the SeisIntel modelling package. How about environmental? Let us look at the distances to any nearby marine parks, which we have loaded from a shapefile. The closest distance in this example that the vessel goes to this marine asset is around 23 kilometres. This is in the southeastern turns. You can see this on the map and also on the chart. You can also export the position data and distance every 15 minutes. Would there have been any seismic interference from other nearby surveys being undertaken at the same time as this one? It was a quiet year in Australia in 2019 for seismic. However, let's have a look at all the surveys done. There was a mix of surveys in the region, from CGG, PGS, Polakis and Shearwater. However, none were done at the same time as this one. This wraps up our quick analysis on the Keraudren 3D survey. If you would like analysis done on any 2D, 3D, 4D or ABN survey, send us an email. And remember, no matter where you explore in the world, SeisIntel has you covered.